Here we go. What's up, Yogi Clan? How are you today?
Here's Dorothy.
Yo! Yo!
What's up?
Wazzup!
What's up?
You're watching this on Wednesday, but I'm actually recording it on Saturday, heading to Iron Saturday. I got two topics that I want to talk to you about today on Wazzup Wednesday, because I want to fill you in on what's up. As you can see, I am on Miss Piggy. Heck yeah! I haven't brought you a video on Miss Piggy in a long time. And let me tell you, I am putting it out there for you. Why? Because it's 28 degrees out right now. I would much rather be on Bertha behind a windshield with heated grips, but you know what? Not only am I doing this for you, but I'm doing it for me too. Why? Because I really miss riding Miss Piggy. Her and I have had a lot of miles, a lot of fun, a lot of good times, and we're going to be riding over to one of the guys' houses and helping him out for a little while, doing some moving the doghouse around. And I thought, you know what? It's a beautiful day. Maybe a cold day, but it's a beautiful day. So let's hop on Miss Piggy and let's do this What's Up Wednesday on Miss Piggy. So here we are. So what's up? What's going on? Well, yesterday, that guy's got a motorized bicycle. Yesterday, I had my first ever, Joe Biden did too. I got something in common with Joe Biden. Who would have thought? Who would have really cared? We both had colonoscopies yesterday. Yep. Got the butt probed. Had a TV shoved up my rear end. Really not a TV, more like a camera. So I could broadcast it on the TV, shoved up my rear end. I was knocked unconscious. But the most fun part of all of that was the medicine they give you the day before. So Wednesday night was the last meal that I they say you can eat breakfast on Thursday, but I didn't really want to do that. Because my body, if I eat breakfast on Thursday, is going to be super hungry all day long Thursday. And I didn't want to have to deal with that. So I just said, you know what? Wednesday night's going to be the last supper. And I will fast on Thursday. My procedure was at 11 o'clock on Friday. I had to be there at 8:15. So they give you two doses, right, of pills. There are two bottles of pills. And there are 12 pills in each bottle. Now, some people take all 12 of those at once. The little physician, the physician assistant told me, what I would recommend is you take one every 2 minutes until you get the whole bottle down, then just follow the instructions as far as drinking the water. Okay, that's a good idea. So I set my timer on 2 minutes, take a pill, repeat, take a pill, repeat. You drink 16 fluid ounces when you're taking the pills. Then, like, an hour later, you drink another 16 ounces. Then 30 minutes after that, you drink another 16 ounces. So you got whatever 16 times 3 is, 48 ounces? Is that right? Yeah, probably about right. 48 ounces of water and these 12 pills on you. So I was like, and my wife was was over at a friend's house Friday night, or Thursday night. No, she was out at a wine night. So I was like, well, I'm just going to sit in bed and watch some YouTube. So I went into bed and watched some YouTube, and I got to go to the bathroom. I'll be darned, I bet you I went to the bathroom at least 12 times in about an hour period. About every 3 minutes, I had to get up and go to the bathroom. Y'all, my butt was sore from wiping it. It was like starting to hurt. I'm like, dang. This is rough. So then I had to, then it stops. And then it's about like an hour or two after that, it like stops. You're like cleaned out. You're flushed out. There ain't no more in you. So you think. So the next day, I have to get up Friday, the day of the procedure, I have to get up at 5 a.m., right? And do this all over again. So I get up at 5 a.m. I go out to the dining room. I got my computer set up. I was like, well, let me get these, the stuff that I recorded off my GoPro that I filmed from in the garage, off my GoPro, and I'll do that while I'm doing this 2-minute pill cycle. So I do that, and then about 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes after I'm done with the last of the 12 pills, I'm like, okay, here we go. So this time I just went into like our hall bathroom off the kitchen area, like what we call it, the powder room. Well, let's just say I dusted the powder room. This time I didn't even bother. Not to get graphic, no, I didn't even bother wiping my butt. I just sat there for literally an hour and a half and went to the bathroom. Then I cleaned myself up after I was done and went and took a shower and went and got the colonoscopy. And from there, it's just standard procedure. They, I was waiting in the waiting room for about an hour until they took me back. They took me back, they put me to sleep. The whole procedure itself lasted like 20 minutes. 20, maybe 30 minutes. Yeah, I better get some gas because I don't want to show up to Iron Saturday with an empty tank. I don't want to be that guy. Gosh, $4 a gallon for super. So, that was the first thing I had to tell you about, was that fun. And I found out Joe Biden had the same procedure on the same day. My brother. Yeah, no, not really. Item number 2. I have Blue Bike and Doyle. If you're not familiar with him, go check out his channel. But he commented on one of my videos because we got into a conversation, I believe, about the orphan run. And he said, you know what you need to do? You need to do like what Shade Tree Surgeon did for Forgotten Angels out of Florida. You need to get a bike, build a bike, and sell raffle tickets for it. Post all those videos of you building your bike to your channel. And I was like, yeah, but you know, I don't have anywhere. Shade Tree Surgeon has, he's probably close to, he's somewhere between 125 and 150,000 viewers or subscribers on his channel. Me, I got like 6,125, roughly, give or take, plus or minus. I don't have that kind of volume. He has a Discord going. No, not a Discord. He has a Patreon going. You know, he gets money in on his Patreon. And it wasn't him that built the bike. It was a custom builder that actually built the bike. I think it was like a David Mann style theme bike that he built and they raffled off, which is pretty darn awesome. And that guy has got way more experience and way more skill than what Yogi has. I mean, I am sure I could put together a bike. I'm not really worried about that, but this dude, obviously, he put a lot of money into this bike. I don't have that kind of money. So, you know, if I'm going to do this, it would be like a $5,000 like rat bike, you know, or something of that effect. Last night, I just really started thinking about that. I thought, you know, what if I did do something like that? What if I got like, say, an old Sporty, took apart the engine, rebuilt the engine, updated everything on it, you know, just completely updated the bike, raffled it off. Now, I thought about that, you know, here it is, Thanksgiving. I don't have time, I'm gonna be honest. I wouldn't have time to do it by April of this, in 5 months from now. Yeah, wow, the orphan run's 5 months out. I wouldn't have time to do that in 5 months. It's not necessarily that, it's more, what about the idea? So then I thought about it for a minute. I thought, well, you know what? Doyle might be on to something there. That might be an idea. I don't think I can do it for this orphan run, but you know what? This is something I might dig into. I may start looking for a bike. Start seeing if I can find a bike. And if I can find a bike, maybe by April of this year, then that will give me a whole year to work on that bike and get that bike ready for next year's Orphan Run. So I started digging last night into Patreon and what that was all about. And my thought is, if I'm going to do this for the bike, you know, I don't want the Yogi clan, Yogi subscribers to pay for everything. I'd kick in like the first $1,000 and then just ask the Yogi clan to kick in the balance, and maybe we'll, you know, set the limit at like a $5,000 cap or something like that. I don't know. I need time to think about it, time to plan it out, and figure out what I'm going to do, and do some research and what that's going to look like, and go from there. But it is something I am definitely considering. But I think it's important, though, that if I do that I have skin in the game too. And at the end of the day, what we would do is sell raffle tickets for it, and we would probably do the pulling of the bike at the Orphan Run, the pulling of the winning ticket. And you know, from our club's website, I could easily put a button on there to sell raffle tickets online. That could easily be done. $10 a ticket. You know, you sell 500 tickets, there's $5,000 for the bike. But if it's paid for by donations, then every ticket you sell is pure profit. You know, I don't have to pay back the fund that it was used to create it. And if we sell those tickets on our website, 100% of those donations, once our 501c3 is approved, will be tax deductible too. Wouldn't that be cool? So you buy a raffle ticket and it's tax deductible. So I'm kind of thinking about that and kind of wanting your opinion on that, on what should I do with that. Does that sound like something good? You know, would you guys be interested in buying a basket case, watching, you know, helping me buy, and then watching the videos of me buying a basket case and putting it back together? That's my question. Darn, I forgot my backrest. My driver's backrest. I knew I was forgetting something. Alright, Yogi Clan, I'm getting ready to pull into Iron Saturday. That's what I had for you for Wazzup Wednesday. Now you know what's up. So, waiting to hear these tests come back from my colonoscopy. They removed 2 polyps. Hopefully they come back benign. But, you know, we'll deal with whatever the Lord gives us, right? Thank you for joining me today on Miss Piggy. I hope you guys have an awesome week. And oh yeah, when you're watching this, tomorrow will be Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to you. Enjoy the time with your family. Get stuff. Watch some football. Watch the Macy's Day Parade. Lay on the couch. Rub your Buddha belly. And enjoy. And I'll catch you on the next Wazzup Wednesday. Alright. Love you guys. Peace. What's up, y'all? I don't want to take my helmet off, it's warm.